wheel cut up to 52. So it's a 48-inch head.
Yes, sir.
And on the outskirts of it, we've got no engine rolls in there. It's just wheel all around.
Swing 52.
It is in good condition. Now, what did you say you rebuilt that particular part over there?
The side rapid head motor.
The rapid head motor.
Rapid head motor is in maintenance. Got a brand new, just had it rebuilt. And a lube motor. Both of them's in maintenance right now. We just don't use the side head. Yeah. And so what happened was the rapid head on the top went out, and we swapped them out. But that's what, I mean, that's the reason we did that.
Now, Mr. Johnny, the only reason that you're selling is to get a bigger machine.
Get a bigger machine, right? We bought a Bullard 56.
And you use it every day.
Every day.
And it is in great tolerance.
Yeah.
You would be using it. All the bearings, everything is good. Turn all the way around and never move that dial into anything.
That's right.
Unless the dial is and it needs to be moved, we'll come look it off. Completely true. Nowhere in the slide or anything on it.
When we bought this machine, I think 10 years ago or 12 years ago, it had been completely rebuilt.
Completely rebuilt when you bought it. Right. That's 10 or 12 years ago. Basically, y'all are in the top 100 companies in the nation. That's all of awards and plastic. Now, the next thing, you know, we got all the specs on how much height we've got.
Yeah.
The width, we've got all the specs.
Yeah, we got that. We got all that in there and make sure we get it.
Everything is good. Yeah, this thing does. The good thing about it is y'all still use it every day. It ain't like something that's sitting in some building somewhere. Everything oiled and working. Yes, sir. It's definitely an older machine.
Yeah.
Which makes it one of the better machines.
Well, I'm going to tell you right now,
There's no doubt about it.
we bought a brand new machine there on the other end, and I'm going to do that.
Kind of like,
We learned all that.
them old bullets.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
They got the iron and steel in them. It's there forever. I'm going to watch you make one little touch with that cut, and then we can go.
Yeah, we'll go in there.
We got all the specs. All the control. It's good. Here we go. Yes, sir. And what we're seeing is not a demonstration. We're seeing it actually in
Right,
use.
that's new use.
Might have something to talk.
Yeah.
Yes, indeed.
I'm gonna take 1,000. My last time.
Oh,
I
okay.
didn't have that much to do with these.
I got you. But this one will cut 1/4 inch at a time.
Quarter at a time.
It'll cut a quarter.
What we're doing right now is we're making the turn. We're advancing on it.
Right.
Cut it all the way across.
This is the finishing cut.
Yes, sir. How much you cut now? About an eighth or so?
50,000.
Right now, so I didn't have that much to work with in the first place when I got it. Roughly, I only had like maybe like 8 to work with. I cut off on the back side. I maybe cut off like 30,000. And I had like another like 80 some thousand.
Yes, indeed.
So when this is last cut, then I got to.
What about the cut tools? Come on, will they go with it?
Yeah, pretty
Yeah,
much.
and that's just something that basically if anybody's getting the machine, they know to get the tools anyway. Yes, sir. We'll get the specs, we'll get everything we need.
Yeah, I don't know if they want these good tools. We run them till they wore out.
That's what I mean. Yeah, but this thing here is not wore out.
No. But the tools, man.
Oh, the tools, yeah. And we're talking about the tooling, not the machine.
Yeah, the tools.
Yeah, you have to, carbides or whatever they are.
Yeah, right now, as high as carbide is, we.
I know it. You have to make it. It's carbide business.
We sold half a 5-gallon bucket of scrap and carbide about a month ago. It was like $72,000.
Isn't that something? Let me tell you, I had something so personal to me. I had a bunch of carbide burns. Years ago, I used to wait cars, years ago. And I've had them for years and years and years. So help me. Somebody that. And it was so personal. Just a little carbide burn, put in the corner, you know. We're good to go. Let me walk behind it just a little bit. I really don't need to. I can take steel pictures behind it.
Well, that's a big motor back there.
Oh, I know it, and I want to get it real quick, okay?
Open this up yet?
Yes, sir. All right.
Let's open that can.
As long as it's safe.
Yeah, you safe right here. You walk right here.
No, not really that necessary. You know what we have.
Yeah, there's the motor right there.
Oh, yeah. Yes, indeed. As you said, 10, 12 years ago, we bought it at a retail machine. We've got all the shit. Oh, hold on one second. Stamped and all, everything is real. Let's get one minute right here. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Well, look at this, the control cabinet. Yes, sir.
That's for the side here. That's why it's tagged.
Oh, yeah.
We got
Oh,
it.
yeah. Yeah, all the wires is good. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah.
We do have all the manuals.
You have all the manuals with it?
Yes, sir.
And this control box here is only for that machine.
Yes, this is control boxes for this machine, and then the lockout is for that side here. We did that so that nobody will come in here and
Now what, the lockout is
that's
not,
because the motor's not in it. That's the
yeah,
only reason.
we're not using the lockout tag right now. We just got
No, we just got it tagged in there.
Hey, what I mean is,
Just for
there's no
information.
reason to do not operate.
No, it's not. We just don't have a motor in it. That's all.
We're in good shape. I feel good about everything. I do. Yes, sir. I feel good. Okay, thank you, buddy. I'm gonna just get a quick one right here. We're good. May I step through here?
Yes, sir.
Come with me, I'll be careful.
Slick right there.
It's oily, but I'm gonna be very careful. I think we're good to go.
Yeah. Somebody will get a good machine. They don't
Well, they're
want-
gonna get a good machine. In other words, like we're talking right now. The machine is working now.
Yeah. And we do have, I don't know what's in them boxes back there, Mr. Jimmy. They got the wood crates back there, all that goes with it. We never used it. I don't know what it is. It might be stand-up, I don't know. I didn't look at it and see.
In good shape. Everything is complete tolerance. The only reason we're selling it is to buy a bigger machine that we desperately need.
They kind of like buzzers a lot.
Yeah.
So I don't blame them, I do too.
No, we're at 48 inches now. We probably want to get up to 60 inches.
Yeah, it's exactly right.
Or even 72 if you had to.
See the cut.
Sir?
If you video the cut, you can see it.
We videoed the start and we're getting close to the end of it.
Yeah, it's slick. It doesn't.
And it could, in just a few moments, it's done.
Yeah, it doesn't drop. It doesn't do anything.
Well, I saw that, you know, he had the mic up on it, and it just flipped.
It's going to be dead straight.
Yeah, look at it right there. Look at that right there. Not even moving. Think about it. Not even moving the side. Dead on. Yes, indeed. All right. Thank you. Good, and thank you, sir.
Go in there and maintenance, I got air conditioning.
I'm impressed about this. We're talking cut that large, dead on. Yes, indeed. Well, let's roll with it. We're good to go. I done said that 10 times, haven't I?